engineers have mixed different processes in order to make a component. Taking a mill, a drill, a lathe to create the exact geometry you're looking for. In the additive stage, we're just now starting to mix traditional processes with additive to get the part that we're looking for, and even mix different additive process to give us the best balance of cost, performance, and features. Using multiple processes allows you to leverage each process for what it's good for. One example is a traditional pipe that we've embedded sensors on using UAM. Another example is a powder bed fusion, very complex piston that we've added a layer of copper to using ultrasonic additive to wick heat away. Multiple processes can help engineers achieve part characteristics that are otherwise impossible using historic manufacturing means. To learn more, go to Fabrisonic.com.